El Niño is a term you've probably heard bandied about recently.
El Niño.
An El Niño.
Super El Niño.
El Niño.
El Niño. Super El Niño. But what exactly is it?
El Niño is sort of a parcel of air that runs through the upper atmosphere, that when we're in an El Niño event, it tends to bring more warm air from across the Atlantic into Europe. Now, it can hit different parts of the continent, so it can make changes as to whether, say, Ireland experiences a very hot year or very, very cold year, but it certainly looks like continental Europe, at least, in an El Niño event, will experience a very, very warm summer.
It basically is a naturally recurring climate event that brings hotter temperatures to the world every 2 to 7 years and lasts between 9 and 12 months. Its opposite phase is called La Niña, which has more of a cooling effect. The phenomenon was originally noted by 19th century Peruvian fishermen. They called it El Niño, the child in Spanish, because it often arrived around Christmas time.
The science is clear. El Niño is arriving on our doorstep in the coming months with 90% certainty. The world must treat it as the urgent climate warning it is. El Niño conditions will pour fuel on the fire of a warming world. Impacts will hit even harder, travel even further, and cross borders with devastating speed.
The last El Niño in 2023 to 2024 contributed to making 2024 the hottest year on record. Some weather agencies are forecasting the strongest El Niño in a decade, also known as a super El Niño. Keith Lampkin, head of the Climate Services Division at Met Éireann, said that when it comes to El Niño, it's more of a global event and less of an Irish one. He said that while it has a significant impact in certain parts of the world, it's not really a significant climate driver of what's going to happen here in Ireland. Mr. Lampkin said the Irish climate is hugely dominated by the weather of the day and hugely dominated by what's going on in the Atlantic, and also dominated by climate change. He added that we can't say with confidence how El Niño is going to affect Irish temperatures.